So here we are, welcome back to another video. In this video you're going to see me painting alongside Fussy, my crewmate, and Bragger. Bragger I've known for a little while, but I've never actually got around to paint with him, so today it's actually taking place and we're going to paint this wall here. It's all a bit of a mess, so prime candidate for painting over. There's a few nice pieces over there, one from Ecto, and I don't actually know who that is, but you may have seen that in another video. Right, phone call, gotta go. And voila, one mulched up wall. So that is it for this video. I painted that piece 2 months ago now, literally just over 2 months. I've painted twice since then, both commissions. You might see one of them in an upcoming video, but you won't see the other one because I didn't record anything. Yeah, so that is that. Exciting news is, if you're living in the kind of West Kent, East Sussex, South London I guess, and South Essex, kind of close to kind of East London, good news for you if you want spray paint. I've started up a shop, it's called West Kent Cans, it's on Instagram. It's basically going to be a kind of like order through me, I'll pick all the cans for you, and caps if you need caps, and yeah, I'll deliver it if you want for an extra charge, or you can come pick up from Tunbridge area in West Kent, or I can meet you halfway or whatever. Or maybe you could order some paint and I'll come meet you somewhere at a wall to paint, and I can drop it off free of charge that way if we paint at the same time together. So yeah, you'll probably get spammed by me through Instagram and West Kent Cans. And yeah, basically message me for the deals, it's really good. The plan is to do 10 cans for 35 quid, so that's £3.50 a can, and then that qualifies you to get 3 cans for a tenner thereafter basically. So yeah, I don't think there's anywhere in the UK as cheap as that. I've just got a stock of a reasonable chunk of cans, like quite a number, so unfortunately I don't really have many blues, purples and yellows because when I ordered they were quite low on that stock. But yeah, I've basically kind of kept the colours quite, I've got like every single shade of every colour because obviously that would be ridiculous. But yeah, if you want, this afternoon I will be going through sorting out all of the colours. So I've got them in a digital format, so if you do want to order some paint from me, I'll probably put my Instagram tag on the screen now. This is really long-winded, I'm sorry, but I haven't planned it, I'm just kind of doing it freestyle. So yeah, just message me on there. I'll have all the colour charts kind of digitalised, or that's the plan. Do it this afternoon straight after this video's come out. And then yeah, message me, and yeah, not that I get many viewers on this channel, so anyway, you'll probably get spammed through Instagram. That'll be the first thing you know about it. So yeah, that'll be it. Yeah, ask for a colour chart and I'll send it through to you on Instagram, and yeah, then you can obviously pick your colours, and yeah, best deals in the UK for Cobra HP. And if you want 600mm chrome, I've got Montana chromes in stock, £5 a can and 4 caps for £1. And yeah, I told you about the cans. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, and yeah, what's the other thing? Comment, tell me about this video, tell me about my shop. Not that you know much about it, but anyway, I'm talking rubbish. Bye.